All units proceed to designated bay assignments immediately. Do not delay. Boarding is prioritized by sector.
Ensure the stabilizers are locked on those crystal structures.
Already done. The docking sequence is proceeding smoothly.
Core alignment stable. Lowering sequence initiated.
Acknowledged. Reactor drawing power.
Crane 5, move girder to sector Gamma.
Copy that, moving now.
The holographic supports are active. Drones, proceed with the glass installation.
Secure the coupling clamps on your side. They're secure, ready for the next run. As you can see, the stabilized graviton field allows the island to maintain perfect equilibrium regardless of wind shear.